It's threatening to rain again. Oh, nice. But sometimes it feels like the boy who cried wolf. Threatens to rain and threatens to rain and doesn't deliver. I don't know. I looked at the radar. We might get a little bit of this. We sure could use it, boy. That ½ inch yesterday was barely enough to even dampen the soil on top, and definitely didn't penetrate any moisture into the ground. Regardless, whether it rains or not, I will be irrigating some more tonight. Just thought I'd catch a couple of interesting cloud formations. Lightning strikes, etc. Well, I got tilling to do, so I'm going to keep tilling until it starts raining or lightning gets closer. Well, it appears to be delivering. That's what I like to hear and see. Oh man, keep it coming. I'll take 3 hours of this. I know I'm not going to get it. Oh, I do like free irrigation. So, according to the closest weather station gauge, which is actually my friend Matt, KB2SPT, 0.61 inches of rain. He's a little bit further west of me, and that storm came pretty much right over me. I'd say we might have got closer to 3/4 of an inch. Actually, we level this up. It's usually a pretty good gauge. Might even be close to an inch. Let's see, maybe 45 minutes, if that. So that's like having the rainbirds going for a while. Look at that. We got standing water. That's awesome. That's the actual rain that we needed. But I'll bet you there's dry spots underneath here. Maybe not. Maybe we got enough. Yeah. See? See? I'm going to irrigate anyway. But hey, that gets us a really nice head start. This is the spot I was just starting to till before it rained. Yep. See? Only getting about an inch penetration right now. And below that, it's that dry. This might soak in a little bit more, but it's certainly not going to be full depth irrigation. So I'll bring the irrigation pump online and we'll take advantage of the soil that's moist already and see if we can't set a nice deep soaking in. But I'm very grateful for the rain that we got, because that's a big help. There you go. Just in case you thought I was kidding. It's been that dry. I'm going to soak this for an hour, and I'm going to move up and soak for an hour and move up and soak for an hour and move up and soak for an hour, and then I'm moving to the next block. Then I should be able to plant this and, well, till it, plant it, and have some reasonable success. Who knows when the next rain will be. We're headed back into the 90s and sunny. Alright, Just a little on water and how dry things can actually be. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network.